It's Igwe birthday. It's Igwe birthday. Hi guys. Igwe birthday. Lodi. Yes, so it's Igwe birthday. The balloons are here. My princess have arrived. You don't drop if I shoot you. Okay. If I shoot you, welcome there. Welcome guys. Hey, it's Igwe birthday. It's Igwe birthday. See Igwe gift. They bring a con. You see, delivered to my house. This is Igwe's gift from me, guys. This birthday not there. Stay tuned. Hey, check this out. Hey. Oh my goodness. Look at. Oh boy, are you guys ready? I'm getting ready. I'm on my makeup, doing my makeup, guys. All right, stay tuned. The balloons have arrived. Igwe gift have arrived. Oh yeah, clear road for woman with Sabi. I told you guys I'm going to be appreciating my husband today. It's in a grand style, guys. Grand style. See you all later. Congratulations to the golden fish. I am so happy, like it's supposed maybe they celebrate our husband like this, really. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, you go subscribe so that you go to hear many news when they come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about the golden fish. I am so happy. Like, not be only husband go to buy something for us. Sometimes we still really need to appreciate our husband, like the way the golden fish they appreciate his husband. You understand? The good maybe they appreciate our own like that. I am so happy when I see the way she they celebrate his husband. I am so happy. Not be only husband go they buy something for us. At least with the wife, we still need maybe they buy gift for our husband. The golden fish just buy a brand new car, like correct car. He give his husband for his birthday. I am so happy. Like that's what it's supposed to be. You do for me, I go still do for you. There are two people when they follow for when they do prank for Facebook. That's what this boyfriend and girlfriend. That's what they do. You do for me, I do for you. Not be only me one go just do. You not go just do. Sometimes it's not good. You understand, my people? I am so happy when I see the golden fish at Lolo, now social media presenter. When I see say she buy a husband car, I was so happy. Like seriously. Happy birthday, Igwe. Long life and prosperity to you. Happy birthday. More money in your account. More ego in your azar. I am so happy. And so it's supposed the more that they celebrate to our husband. Not be alone, our husband go they celebrate to now. The white people they do for me, I do for you. That's what they take they do one. Thank you, my darling. I'll put the video now on a scene. Oh my God, it's Igwe birthday. It's Igwe birthday. Hi guys, Igwe birthday, Lodi. Yes, so it's Igwe birthday. The balloons are here. My princess have arrived. You don't drop if I shoot you. Okay. If I shoot you, welcome there. Welcome guys. Hey, it's Igwe birthday. See Igwe gift. They bring a con. You see, delivered to my house. This is Igwe's gift from me, guys. This birthday not there. Stay tuned. Hey, check this out.
Oh my goodness. Look at Oh boy, are you guys ready? I'm getting ready. I'm on my makeup, doing my makeup, guys. All right, stay tuned. The balloons have arrived. Igwe gift have arrived. Oh yeah, clear road for woman with Sabi. I told you guys I'm going to be waiting for Lolo. This is a preview. Testing. Oh dogwa. That is my birthday, boys, guys. Yeah. This is testing. The birthday is about to start. My birthday boy is down. All right, guys, let me give you a preview of him. He's coming. That's our birthday boy. Can you stand up and say hello to the people for us? It cost me money. Hey! Igwe, don't blow. Oh, God, at the verse. Eating. All this camera. Igwe is challenging my ministry. Hold it like this. Don't move. Just stay here. I'm going to be using money to raise you up and to sit you down. Wait for me. I'm coming. Igwe is challenging my ministry.
You don't put a king up that way. Empty-handed. No way. Yes. Especially where we come from.
Hold the camera where I didn't say you should show anything. Just hold it there. I want Igwe to stand up for us. Igwe, I have stand up. Daddy,
stand up.
Igwe, stand up. Igwe. You don't just ask the king to stand up like that. You understand?
You don't get the king up with empty hands.
You see. Igwe! Happy birthday. Guys, this is a preview. We are coming back in a bit. Thank you. You see? Igwe, no, they stand up just like that. You know, they walk. So, you see, Igwe, in a minute, we are coming. If you see the table is ready, that's the birthday balloon hanging there. All right, the cake will be revealed in a minute. Thank you all.